This is the Behringer CT100 professional 6-in-1 cable tester. This thing is metal. It feels really good, really strong, really durable, and I have no problems at all throwing this in the gig bag. I wouldn't worry about it one bit. This thing will do XLR, 1/4-inch jacks, RCA cables, those cables, MIDI cables, and 1/8-inch jacks. It runs on 2 AA batteries, and that screw comes out. So if you take the cover off to put new batteries in, make sure you pay attention to where the screw is. This thing is really super easy to use. You just plug it in, turn it on, press the reset button, and I know with this 1/4-inch jack that X pattern means that it's good. Same thing here. If I plug in this XLR cable, and I'm pretty sure it's bad, we'll see what happens. There, you can see I don't have the X pattern right there. Hit reset. You can see I'm fiddling around with the wires. I got all kinds of jumps. I know this XLR cable is no good. I can't use it at the gig tonight, right? So this thing would be great for sound man, or even just guys in bands. You know, you throw it in your gig bag, something good to have with you, so you can test your cable to make sure it's working. Or if you have any problems and you want to double check and make sure it's not the cable, it's a great item to have. It's affordable, and it's something I have in my gig bag.